Welcome. This is Ingrid Dinter from ingriddinter.com, and today I would like to offer you an EFT tapping video on the overwhelm and feeling trapped that excess clutter in our homes can cause us. So when you look around your home, your apartment, maybe your office, depending on where most of this clutter accumulates, just think about releasing that and how that would make you feel. And there's a good chance that you start to feel weighed down or overwhelmed or I don't even want to get started. So whatever it is that you feel right now, just notice where that manifests in your body. Notice a shift in your body and just rate the feeling. And I want to call it overwhelmed for this video. On a scale of 0 to 10, 0 means it's not there and 10 is super, super intense. And then just tap along with me so that we can help you release these feelings once and for all. Karate chop point, even though I feel so overwhelmed with the clutter all around me, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I feel so overwhelmed with the clutter all around me, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though there is so much stuff in my house, it is completely overwhelming, and I don't know where to start. I choose now to be surprisingly okay with that. Now tap on the top of your head. I am overwhelmed. Inside of the eyebrow, I really am. Outside of the eye, this clutter is overwhelming. Under the eye, I can feel this in my body and I can feel it on my soul. Nose and upper lip, there is just so much clutter in my life. Lower lip and chin, I don't even know where to begin. Collarbone. But I choose to acknowledge the situation without any judgment. Under the arm, and get ready to resolve this problem in a way that really works for me. Top of your head. I choose to release the overwhelm and start to move forward in baby steps. Take a breath and see if that already calmed you down. Good job. Now next round. Top of your head. I wonder if this has to be overwhelming. Inside of the eyebrow. Maybe it does, but maybe it doesn't. Outside of the eye. It is not true that I don't know how to clean this. Under the eye. There are so many things that I already know I can toss. Nose and upper lip. Why don't I get started with baby steps? Lower lip and chin, and in the room that is easiest for me to declutter. Collarbone. I don't have to start by tackling the big guns. Under the arm, I can start with the small stuff, the easy things, where I can see success quickly. Top of your head. And even though I used to be so overwhelmed with all the clutter in my home, I choose to begin where it's easy and successful. One step at a time. In baby steps. Take a breath. Last round. I am grateful that I did not let the overwhelm take me down. Inside of the eyebrow. I am grateful that I made a decision to not feel trapped any longer. Outside of the eye. I am grateful that I have what it takes to get rid of this problem. under the eye by beginning with the easiest things and getting them done. Nose and upper lip. I respect myself for the courage that I'm showing. Lower lip and chin, because this has weighed me down for way too long. Collarbone. I think I have what it takes to get rid of my clutter. Under the arm, and release this problem once and for all. Top of your head. I can't wait for my home to be clutter-free. And release all that negative energy that I've accumulated over the years. Take a breath. See how you're feeling now. Do you feel less overwhelmed? Do you think you have a plan? Getting started with baby steps, the easiest things first, and the things that are officially just trash that needs to go, paper clips, paper snippets, outdated food, things that we just have lying around in the house. Most people do. That can just go. And once you start creating that momentum, everything else will begin to get easier. My name is Ingrid Dinter, and I'm proud of you for getting started.